Just ready to eat some breakfast. Get my coffee on. So necessary. Start the day with some coffee. Alright, off we go. Off to the studio. My dad just gave me this book from when I was in the 5th grade. Pretty legendary pictures that I drew. Check this out. How's this guy? I've been making it really a point that every time I work in the studio, I take about, 10, 15 minute walk after I come up with something that I like, leave it, come back, fresh ears, fresh mind, ready to rock. How I make my snare rolls, check this. It's real simple.
February is the month where you're gonna want to watch.
Alright, we're headed down to the studio in LA right now to work with my boy Nick Nittoli and homegirl Maggie. Alright, going to Jim Henson right now, my studio sesh. Boom, Jim Henson, let's do this. Oh, you guys got some new friggin' couches, bro.
I'm giving it all, can't you see? You're never gonna take me from me. Rather be an outsider than a slave to society.